Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic, and with school just around the corner, we decided to release a brand new kit for you guys. This is our backpack bleeding control kit. Our thought process behind it was for like middle school, high school, college age kids could drop this in their backpack and have the ability to control major bleeding and treat life-threatening injuries out of their backpack.
And then pull it tight.
There you go. There you go. Pull it
arms so skinny. Okay, now pull it now. Velcro it. Velcro it again. I can't even do that. Hey, Mommy, can I play the gallery?
Pull it tight.
Can't do it.
Tight, tight, tight. You hold it on. Saw that. Now you can spin it. Turn this. Twist this. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it hard, 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 hard.
I twisted it 4 times.
Twist it hard.
I think I got off his blood supply.
Lock it in. You lock it in like it is. Here, take it.
I'm gonna push it down. I can't.
Boop. That's it. He's done.
So Kevin and I took our oldest kids and gave them a very quick rundown on how to apply a tourniquet, how to do wound packing, and how to put on a chest seal. Now they're super young, they're not teenagers yet, but granted they are around trauma supplies more than your average kid, I would probably assume. But we gave them a very quick rundown. Were their tourniquet skills super high speed, perfect? No. Were their wound packing skills perfect? No. But with a little bit of work and a little bit of training, they're pretty doggone good. So our thought process was to have this for school-age kids. That's why the middle school, high school, college-age kids was there. And if you go to our website, you can see that you can choose different size gloves from extra small all the way to extra large. Most kits come with large gloves, so we're thinking about kids here. We want them to have the ability to put gloves on. That's why we can include extra small gloves. Alright, so we'll take a look at the outside of the bag here. We put it in the Condor EMT Lite bag. I think this is a great bag for this particular kit. If your child does have a bag that they want to put on the outside, you can, or they can dump it on the inside. Either way, all their gear is going to be protected. So you have it on the outside here. If you do want to attach it to their backpack, then it just pulls away, leaving the back panel, and they take their kit with them. So we did go ahead and include a kit identification tag on there. That way you know this is a trauma kit, this is a first aid kit. In emergency, we can grab this. We also have a pair of scissors on the outside. I checked with the local school districts around me, and there was no problem with carrying the trauma shears in their backpack. Just want to double check with your local school just to make sure it's a go. I'd hate for your kid to get in trouble having something in their backpack. We can open it up. We included compressed gauze and a pressure bandage here.
So hold it, see right here? Hold it right here at the edge. And then get a good hold. Pop. There you go, just like that.
There it goes.
Now pull it up. You ain't gonna be able to pull the plastic off. There you go, drop that. Boop. Perfect. I hope whenever you become a trauma surgeon, Lord willing, that you're gonna pay for my house.
Whatever. You can pay for your own. Lips.
God almighty, I hope it's not my leggy bag.
Well, you caught my finger doing that.
Yep. Roll and pack in the end. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Keep doing that. Guess the compressed gauze is the same length as the roll up.
Looks longer.
Keep going. Alright, pile the rest of it on top. And push. Pressure. Yeah.
No. No.
What's up? You don't get any sicker.
Oh.
You also have 2 pair of gloves. Now, like we said, when you go to order the kit from us at Medical Gear Outfitters, you're going to be able to choose which size gloves you want. I typically wear mediums. These are extra small for the kids. The large are what normally included in kits, so you can kind of judge it by that or the right size. So we have a Gen 7 CAT Tourniquet here.
Okay. Are you done? Make sure it locks in all the way. Click. Perfect.
We did go and include 2 5x9s in this kit because what we're teaching on the national standard is to hold pressure, good pressure, and if it doesn't work, then you apply a tourniquet. So we felt like we wanted to add some 5x9 bandaging in here. That way to give you something to hold pressure too.
Trying to go over so you stick it right over the top of it. Make sure it sticks down. Okay? So when you rip it open, you take it out. Pull the red tab and get the plastic off and you stick it to it.
Okay.
Good?
Alright, slide a little bit, Gage. Alright, y'all can kneel down if you want to or whatever. Alright, so pull the red tab. Take the chest seal out. You can use a little 4x4 there to wipe away a little bit of blood that might be on there.
Peel that white piece off and wipe this blood off.
Okay.
Just like that.
Pull the red tab. Pull it hard. Keep pulling, Gage.
Did it break? I think it's stuck on my finger. Can you get it off my finger?
It is. This one is really sticky.
Might be really sticky. I'm not gonna get it on the guy. Try to
Alright, continue going. There you go.
Turn over. Just stuck my finger too. There we go.
That's what I did. Thank you, Bob.
That seal is melted.
Glove.
That seal is melted.
I love.
But he's not dead. Perfect.
We did want to go ahead and include some chest seals in the kit. Your chest, back, abdominal area are a large surface area. So there's a high percentage that if you're involved in an active shooter, you're not wearing body armor like the police, military, stuff like that. So to be able to put a chest seal on in an emergency like what we're preparing for in this scenario may save lives. So at the end of my videos, I always say you need the right gear and the right training. Well, I'm providing you the right gear. Now it's up to you to get the right training. So you can go to Stop the Bleed website. You can search for classes that are near you, and that's totally what I'd recommend for you to do. This is about a 2-hour class, and you will get hands-on training on everything that I provide in this kit for you. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Bring the right gear and the right training. On your mark, get set, go.
There's not a care in the world about it make you feel.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
No,
gosh.
now look. Look at this. You didn't pull it tight enough.
You got
Got twisted. So it don't stick. 1, 2. So you hold it like that, and then you can just take it off. And it's already, the tab's already facing you.
On your mark, get set, go.
What?
That's my knee.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Look at your
Go from the
foot.
top down. That'll work. Up high, up high, up high.
Higher, higher, Gage.
You gotta put it all the way up.
No. You got stuck on my boot.
That's it. Lock it in. It goes that way. That's it. Click. Got it.
I think he's doing good.